We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT in agent mode. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the settings icon usually located at the lower left corner of the screen and click on it. In the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Agent Mode. Click on it to enable it. This mode allows you to interact with ChatGPT in a more dynamic and personalized way. After enabling Agent Mode, you can start a new conversation by clicking on the New Chat button. You'll notice that in Agent Mode, ChatGPT can handle more complex queries and provide more detailed responses. Almost like speaking with a personal assistant, you can ask it to manage tasks, set reminders, or even help with project management. Try asking it to organize a list of tasks for the day, and it will respond with a clear and organized plan. If you want to customize the agent's behavior, you can do so by going back to the settings and adjusting the preferences under Agent Mode settings. Here, you can set specific parameters for how ChatGPT should respond or what kind of tasks it should prioritize. Remember to save any changes you make. By using Agent Mode, you're essentially enhancing the capabilities of ChatGPT, making it not just a chatbot but a powerful tool for managing your digital life. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.